Okay,
Voilà,
here we go.
This is for me.
Yeah.
This is for me. This bag is for me.
Yes.
From your mammy.
Oh.
Ok, je
you gonna open
garde
it,
tes
Ginger?
paquets. Je garde.
Thank you so much, Mammy.
No, aren't you gonna look at it and see what's in it?
Very nice.
So you guys have to know the story. Well, I won't tell it why she's opening. Okay, go up, go ahead and open it.
A Snow White bunny. I just love Snow White.
Hey, show me. Ginger, you gotta show me.
Show.
Wow.
Oh, it's so cute.
Can I see all the pictures?
I will show you after your birthday party. Okay, when
Hey,
it's all
hey,
done.
Fifi. C'est pas
It's
pour toi.
okay, it's okay.
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh,
Oh my goodness! A new shirt.
Oh my
Thank you,
goodness.
Mammy.
You're welcome. There's some other things in there too.
Wee-hee.
There's more, Gigi.
C'est pas. Tiens.
Poor
A
Fifi.
new skirt.
These are great reactions.
And a new DVD.
Awesome.
wow.
Is the
Good
bag
job,
empty?
Juju.
That was a great reaction.
Okay, now we can use this bag for your parents.
Gino gave that to you.